Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today's recipe is a very easy and healthy dessert. We are going to make some coconut crepes. The coconut and chocolate combination reminds me of a Bounty bar, but you can fill it with just the coconut filling. That would make it a truly dairy-free recipe. So let's get started. First, the filling. Take 3/4 cup of grated coconut in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of jaggery to it. I am using Kolhapuri jaggery here. Microwave it for 30 seconds to heat the coconut and melt the jaggery a little bit. Mix it to combine it well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Keep aside. Now the crepes. In a bowl, take 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/3 cup of whole wheat flour. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now in a cup, take 1.5 cups of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Make sure to whisk it well to make a smooth and lump-free batter. Add 1 whole egg and whisk to mix it in well. Now let's make the crepes. Pour a ladle full of batter on a pan over a medium-low heat and spread it around as thinly as possible. Once it's cooked through, flip it over and cook it. Then move it to a plate. Now before you make the next crepe, make sure to rub the pan with a wet towel to keep the temperature of the pan low. This recipe makes about 10 crepes. Now the assembly. Take a crepe and apply nutella on 1/4 area of the crepe. Top it with grated coconut mix. Fold it twice to make it conical. Drizzle the chocolate spread and serve it with some fresh fruits. Enjoy this easy treat for breakfast or dessert. Until next time, happy cooking!